Maisha exhibition presents 21 exhibitor with huge variety of collection at Akutubhai for these 3 days, 14th, 15th and 16th of June. कलेक्शन की बात करूं तो समर कलेक्शन, 2 पीस सेट्स, 3 पीस सूट सेट्स, ड्रेसेस, लखनवी कलेक्शन, बनारसी साड़ीज एंड साड़ीज ऑफ कॉटन एंड महेश्वरी हैंड प्रिंटेड. एंड आपको यहाँ पे ज्वेलरी में बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस हैं, फोटो फ्रेम्स हैं, होम डेकोर है, रेजिन आर्ट है, बहुत ज्यादा कलेक्शन है एट अफोर्डेबल रेट्स. कस्टमर्स आपको ऑलरेडी दिख रहे हैं. डू विजिट अकुतुबहै फॉर दिस 3 डेज. कलेक्शन देखने के लिए स्वाइप लेफ्ट. 3-piece suit set, something in cord set. You can see the detailing. Yes. Next we have something in anti-tarnish kadas, in bracelets. If you want something minimal in earrings, तो वो भी आपको यहाँ पे मिल जाएंगे. You can see this pretty collection of jewelry. अगर कुछ ऐसा जर्मन सिल्वर में चाहिए तो वो भी आपको मिल जाएगा. Look at this pretty earring. कुछ ऐसा नेक पीस में चाहिए तो यहाँ पे मिल जाएगा. प्लस ऐसा चोकर के अंदर चाहिए तो they have got you. You can see the different variety. And we have variety in bangle as well. Next we have something in 2-piece sets and 3-piece suit set. You can see इनके पास बहुत ज़्यादा variety है in cotton, long 1-piece and 2-piece sets.
હાય, મારી પાસે બુકની ફ્રેમ્સની વેરાયટીઝ છે. તો એમાં ક્વર્કી ફ્રેમ્સ આવી ગઈ તમારી એસ્થેટિક હોમ કોર્નર્સ માટે, તમારા ડાઇનિંગ ટેબલ માટે, ચાઇના નાસ્તો પાણી, ગ્રીટિંગ પર્પઝ, તમારા એવરીડે અફર્મેશન માટે. યુ લુક ગુડ.
Yes, and customization is available here. If you want customization in your photo with thread work, so that is also possible here. You can see. Next we have all of white collection with us. You can see એમની પાસે તમને pretty shirts મળી જવાના છે, કોટ સેટ મળી જવાના છે. You can see with pretty embroidery on it. Yes, if you want something in dresses તો એ બી મળી જવાનું છે. Look at this pretty coat set. And કંઈક આવું શોર્ટ ટોપ્સમાં જોતું હોય તો એના ઓપ્શન્સ બી અવેલેબલ છે.
हेलो ऑल, वी हैव ऑफर ऑन आवर ट्रेंड्स लुक ब्रांड. 500 में आप कोई भी चीज बाय करते हो तो उस पर आपको 20 रुपीज कैशबैक है. 1000 पे 40 रुपीज और 2000 पे आपको 100 रुपीज कैशबैक मिलेगा. प्लस 2000 में आपको लाइफ टाइम मेंबरशिप रहेगा हमारा, जिसके अंदर आपको 10% तक का डिस्काउंट मिलेगा. प्लस उसी 2000 की शॉपिंग में आपको 2000 का कैशबैक मिलेगा. वो आपको 3 मंथ में यूटिलाइज कर लेना है. सो प्लीज डू विजिट अकुटुबहै 14, 15, 16. थैंक यू.
Let's move to another brand having Lucknowi collection. Hello. Yes.
ચંદેરી में भी आपको चंदेरी
मोडाल चंदेरी अंगरखा पैटर्न में which is dyeable. Very pretty. Yes, you can see in spaghetti, short tops, long tops, in prints, in solid and bottom wear के भी बहुत ज़्यादा options मिल जाएंगे in Lucknowi and चिकनकारी work. You can. These are some quirky shirts, short dresses, long dresses, something in chicankari with hand embroidery on it. Very nice, perfect for your vacation. Let's move next to the sarees collection. Hello.
Hello.
So what do we have?
We have hand block printed sarees and suit materials.
Okay. So they are specially from MP with the bag print on their sarees. You can see the collection.
We have varieties like different materials and the prints and the colors.
On cotton, on Maheshwari, on Chanderi. You can
And
see.
modal silk.
So they have got 3-piece suit sets, something with embroidery, pant and dupatta set, something in cord set with mirror work, printed cord set, short kurtis and shirts. Next we have gemstone and crystal collection with us for your better luck, prosperity, money luck, anger booster, you can see, and stress buster as well. Next we have some collection of ethnic wear, you can see, very pretty. Yes, 3-piece suit set.
Corset also is.
Okay, they do have corset as well. Pretty nice. Dress materials in bandhani and batik are available over here. You can see તમને અહીંયા jewelry ના options भी મળી જશે in oxidized, or if you want something very minimal in diamond or pearl, or if you want in resin art, तो ये भी options available है. You can see the options. If you want in silver, so we have got you options in clutches, scrunchies and much more. Next we move to another brand having fridge magnet. These are handcrafted fridge magnet, and it is starting from just 50 rupees. You can see this pretty keychain, and these are some cute bracelets, perfect for gifting. You can have this jewelry, bangles, and especially Rakhi collection. So next we have some Western collection with us.
There are some small t-shirts, oversized t-shirts. We don't have a small.
Okay, you can see the crop t-shirts and crop top shirts.
Free size shirts.
Okay,
Pick anyone 490.
and they also have plazos with them. Next we are moving to another brand having jewelry. These are very pretty minimal jewelry. You can see रिंग्स में भी ऑप्शंस मिल जाएंगे. यहाँ पे आपको स्क्रंचीज एंड क्लचेस के बहुत ही प्रिटी ऑप्शंस मिलेंगे. इट इज स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम 30 रुपीज एंड रेंजिंग बिटवीन 30 to 300 rupees. Very pretty. Next we have bottom collection with us. You can see एमनी पास से more than 50 colors are available and it is at flat. So we have cute handcrafted gift options available with us. You can get customized as per your wish. You can see this is memory frame, this is box. Wow, so amazing. Apart from that, इनके पास आपको ड्रीम कैचर्स भी मिल जाएंगे ऑफ डिफरेंट टाइप्स. अगर इसके अंदर भी आपको कुछ कस्टमाइजेशन करवाना है तो इट इज अवेलेबल. ओके, और नेम भी कस्टमाइजेशन हो जाएगा यहाँ पे. यू कैन सी the pretty stuff. Next we are moving to the mukwas. You can see यहाँ पे आपको types of mukwas seeds मिल जाएंगे. Something in roasted chana, imli, आम पन्ना, जलजीरा, james. You can see tutti frutti, amla, and much more options are available here. You can see the pretty Banarasi sari collection with us, with different colors and different designs. Very pretty. You can see this. यहाँ पे आपको बनारसी साड़ीज के साथ साथ बनारसी ड्रेस मटेरियल भी आपको मिल जाएगा with दुपट्टा and much options are available. Yes. Look at the heavy collection of jewelry with us. Perfect for upcoming wedding season. You can see this neck piece. तो यहाँ पे आपको कुंदन में भी मिल जाएगी, चोकर्स में भी ऑप्शंस अवेलेबल हैं. एंड इफ यू वांट समथिंग इन डायमंड और स्टोन तो वो भी आपको मिल जाएंगे. यू कैन सी द ऑप्शंस. वेरी प्रिटी.